All right, shaping up to be a pretty good looking day outside. It's definitely going to be warm. Now, I do want you to know that this will probably be the warmest day we'll have out there for this week. This is one of those days where we get the full brunt of summer, even though it's the first full day of fall. Remember, fall came in yesterday. I know it didn't feel like it at all. It almost makes you forget that fall came in, right? Because we started out the morning with the cloud deck over our northern half, those temperatures are holding back a little bit. But we had full sunshine to our south. Therefore, we're at 84 in Columbia and in Lexington, 86 for you in St. Matthews, 82 in Sumter, and temperatures to the north again just holding back a little bit, and they're in the 70s for us now. As we look at where we're going for the remainder of the work week, we will be tracking a warm 93 today, which should be nice, and then tomorrow 91 with upper 80s in place for your Wednesday. So some really nice weather coming your way for the beginning of fall out there. So not bad at all. Now, we then start to transition, a big change happening in our forecast as we start to track an impending tropical system. So right now, still preliminary numbers coming in. We're still kind of getting everything in. You probably saw me working on some graphics here and there. That's just basically trying to show you what I'm expecting as we move into the next few days. So I'm going to be working on graphics and changing a lot of things here and there. But I do know for sure, these are solid facts here. We know that there will be rain. There will be wind. A tropical system is coming in. That's usually what happened. How much rain, how much wind, that's where the question lies. So your first alert weather days are posted now for your Thursday and Friday. We're going to see what happens with the track. That may adjust, and we may adjust that forecast, but temperatures probably in the low 80s. Rain and wind for you Thursday evening and into your Friday. Rain totals anywhere from 2 to 3 inches across the state, and wind gusts up to about 35, and based on the forecast is why I'm saying that, but for now we're going to hold it at 35. We may adjust it coming soon. So these are the numbers we have on potential tropical cyclone 9. We do know that it's moving to the north at about 5 miles per hour, and the winds are at about 30 miles per hour right now. This is just the first track that they've given us. They'll do some adjustments as it starts to get a little better organized, but for now it looks like it'll be making landfall as a category 2 sometime during the early morning hours on Thursday, with winds of 110 miles per hour somewhere near the panhandle of Florida. That's when we get into the story and we start really watching the forecast, right? The category 2 moves through parts of Georgia throughout the course of the day on that Thursday. We then get into Friday morning. By that point, it looks like that center of circulation wants to turn left. It wants to make that westward turn, which is going to be very important because some of the models may make that turn closer to us. Some of the models want to make that turn as far out as near Alabama. That would dictate what the weather is going to do for us here. That's when we start to adjust those things like how much rain, how strong are the winds. It's all about how close that center of circulation gets to us. So lots to still dissect, lots to still deal with, and of course we'll do it here. For now, we're going to give you those 2 first alert weather days for your Thursday and Friday. High rain chances for Thursday night, and during the daytime hours on Friday. Here's your first alert 10-day forecast. Warm for us, so hey, get out and enjoy the outdoors. This is a good time to go ahead and clean out those gutters. Go ahead and get ready for the possibility of there being some rain. Tie everything down. Make sure you're kind of prepared for a couple of soggy days there. 93 for this afternoon, 91 as we head into your Tuesday. Wednesday's at 89, and we're dropping it down now to the 80s for your Thursday and Friday. Again, adjusting accordingly for the rain and the wind possibility. And for this weekend, we do see the low 80s holding steady. It will be a little bit breezier for the weekend, but this is not going to be a slow mover. It should be in and out pretty quickly, and then we can return to normal activities.